Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Welcome back to the channel, guys. True Jamaican Vibes. Fire Reid. Your mind was a country life sweet. So today I'll be looking some star fruit in the country. So keep on watching and always remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, man. See the bucket here? Yeah, man. Them call them the pudding pan in Jamaica. So yeah, look some fruits today. Country life sweet, my people. So enjoy it, you know. Yeah, man, so we'll take a look at journey now. We're going to look some fruits this morning. So keep on watching. Yes, people. Yeah, man, look some fruits in the country. Yeah, man, they're on the main road and now we're going easy. So here, man, we reach at the star fruit them now on paper. A lot of star fruits. So here, man, I tell us the country life, nothing cannot beat the country life. So in the country, you can go any one of the neighbors them and get on the fruits. If you're in a foreign country, maybe not have to buy them fruits, but you know, country life, yeah, man, just walk out and look your fruits them. Blessings. Yeah, man, you know, star fruit have a lot of health benefits, you know. Yeah, man, you know, say if you can't climb in the country, you just want to have one long stick. Yeah, man, and it can give you anything you want. Just want to have a long stick, you know. Yeah, man, you can see how much star fruit up on the ground. Yeah, man, I don't know, say star fruit juice is the best. So yes, my people, I tell them say it's on hot. Trust me. So after a hard day's work, just I go home, I go blend up some of them star fruit, yeah, and enjoy the juice. Yeah, man. See, there's a star fruit there like crazy. Man, I spoil my people. Yeah man, so we have everything in the country. Yeah man, so everybody's supposed to know, so we have some apple right here. So if you go in the supermarket, this is very expensive. It's a very expensive fruit. Nothing cannot beat it. Country life. Fresh off of the tree, 100% organic. So always remember, like, share and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican Vibes. Fire Reid.